it's me, Mally Roncal, and guess what? I went to Ulta, and I brought back a haul, honey, that is going to blow your mind. I will be honest with you, it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm going to try to do it quick because it's a lot. Look, it's so big. You know how like sometimes you just need something, and you gotta have fun, and baby, Ulta is the place to do it, and that is where I go. So I had so much fun. I was checking out a lot of different things, and I want to share with you what we did. This is the Redken Perfect Color Extend. It's got shampoo, it's got conditioner, and it's got some extra high hold hairspray, which you know that I love. So guys, I have to tell you a little secret. And I don't want it to freak you out or, you know, make you, you know, surprised. But I color my hair. Surprise! Yes, I do color my hair because I am Filipino. And obviously, I do not grow out highlights like this. I don't know if you guys have tried this. Maybe if you have, talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. But I just thought it looked really interesting. And I'm going to go. I know it's very popular. And I have never really tried it. So... okay, here's a great little thing. Now, I don't know, it's holiday right now, and I am obsessed with Philosophy. These are kind of like body washes, but they're also shampoo, and they're like bubble baths and all that. This is the Twinkleberry, and this is the Holiday Lights Glow. It's $23 for both, which is great, and I just love the way they smell. I'm going to try to get it out. Yummy! Bubble bath body wash. I am obsessed with the Ulta, the private label, I guess you'd call it, private label body stuff that they have. This is the coconut cream, which I have to tell you, I love, 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 love. And I got to tell you that so many people ask me when I'm wearing this, they're like, what is that smell? That smell is amazing. And I'm like, it's the Ulta coconut cream. Oh my gosh. I love the fact that you can turn this and it locks. So you can throw it in your bag if you have to go somewhere, if you have to travel. We have the coconut cream, and I also got the Moisture Intense Body Butter, which I know is going to be amazing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. And, of course, it smells amazing. And then we got the pomegranate lime and the mandarin mint. So now, let me see. I'm just going to stick my hand in here and see what happens. Oh, okay. So this was kind of amazing. I am obsessed with socks. Cozy socks, soft socks. My feet are always cold. Earth Therapeutics, the aloe socks. I love these. I've had these before. They stay soft for a super duper long time. But there was like a special going on where you buy something, get something 50% off, which I love. And so I got this quick dry hair turban, which I love to kind of tie my hair up after I wash my hair. I wash my hair a lot because I just like to. Ooh, it's big! Sorry, I just got excited. You put your head in here like this, and then you hang upside down and you twist it, and then it's got this button. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. It's good. This is good. This is exciting. Hooray. This is a little fashion moment, I will tell you. So I sat on my sunglasses when I was on my way to Ulta when I was running my errands. I sat on them, and you know that moment where you sit on your glasses and you hear and you're like, oh, that's going to be expensive. It's going to be pricey. Well, guess what? I was in there, and I was with Chrissy, and we were walking. We were like, wait, those are kind of amazing. And I put them on, and Chrissy did that. You know when your girlfriend, you put something on, your girlfriend goes, oh, yeah. That's what she did. So I was like, oh, well, if I'm going to get that reaction in my sunglasses, then I'm getting them. And hi, aren't they cute? They're super cute. And they were, hello, child, $18. So that's kind of a great deal, I think, because I like sunglasses, and then they're always expensive, and then, you know, so love that. So go try the sunglasses at Ulta. So let's see what else we've got going on in here. So I think that I mentioned that my hair color was done by my good friend Rita Hazan, who has her products at Ulta. Because my hair is surprise, not really this blonde and highlights, she said in order to keep them looking brighter and fresh, which is a great idea, to do these Ultimate Shine Breaking Brass. This is for blonde, brown, or gray hair. It smells so good. It smells kind of like, what does it smell? Violetish or lavender? Not lavender. It's like you want to eat it, but don't eat it. So you wash your hair, and then you take this, and then you put it in and you let it sit for a while. And then it makes your highlights brighter. It makes your hair color brighter. So, again, as you know, I am obsessed with big hair. I like a lot of hair. I love my hairspray. I'm a child of the 80s. Tease it to Jesus and spray it to hell. Or the higher the hair, the closer to heaven. I mean, really, at the end of the day, what else do you need? This is the L'Oreal Elnet. And this is, I have to tell you, we only used to be able to get this in Europe. And Ulta has it, which is amazing. I think it's like $14. And it is the greatest hairspray. It is so good. I love that they haven't really changed the packaging from like a million years ago, which I love. Some people say that the smell is yucky. I love the smell because it reminds me of like spraying my hair. And I was with an amazing hairstylist the other day who was doing my hair, and she was using this Nexxus Maximum, lots of X's, which I have to tell you, I did a live TV show for 2 hours, and it stayed. And it wasn't expensive. I mean, it was expensive if, you know, some hairspray is like $1.99, but this was like $11. So, and that's a big can. So, okay, so I got a lot of stuff for hair when I was at Ulta because I am always futzing with my hair. I'm always doing things, and I love having hair stuff around. These are from Carina, and look at that. That is a lot of elastics. But yet, you buy all of them, and then where do they go? I don't know. But then all of a sudden, you're like, yeah, I'm set for the year. I got these. And then you can't find one. I love these because they're brown, so they kind of disappear in your hair, but this is the best way to go. I am obsessed, as you can see. Wait, do I have a pen? There's it. I am obsessed with barrettes. And these are from Elle at Ulta, and they're all different colors. There's pearls, and there's diamonds, and there's like champagne diamonds and chocolate diamonds. These were $12 for each, which can be a lot for a barrette, but they're so fabulous and amazing that they're fun, and they add a little like party to the hair. I love that. This is like a big one. And again, this is from Elle. This is a great little barrette, and look how cute. Like, hello, party time. Or like put it up here, or like down here. Like, I just love a bow. Oh no, now it's stuck. And I think there was one more, but my bag is so big. Oh, there it is. Oh, this one's special. I might have to put this one on. From Elle again. It's like pink diamonds, and it's just a little clippy. Isn't that cute? So just a little something to add a little fun. I don't know how good it looks because I can't see, so I'm going to take it out. But I love things like this, and they're very special. And again, just kind of dresses up your hair. Okay. I thought this was interesting. It's called the Illumask Anti-Aging Phototherapy Mask. Visibly reduce signs of aging in just 15 minutes every day. Oh, I might have to open this. Stand by. But we're going to open this sucker right up. So you wash your face, put on your mask, and press the button. Relax with your mask on until it turns off automatically. So I kind of love the idea that it looks like this. Boom. Oh, there's like remote controls. Okay, so here's what you do. So you take it and you put it on like so, and then you press the button. Is it working? Did I press it? I can't see. Oh, I think it's on. Oh, yeah. But anyway, do you think if I answered the door like this, I would scare somebody? Hey! And then we could do a little, whew. It gets a little warm in here, but I don't know. I will try it. This is what it looks like inside. Don't be afraid. But we'll see, guys. What do you think? So look at this. Face Defender Mally. I picked one up, believe it or not. So I don't know if you are aware of what Face Defender is. It is the first ever technically clear powder. Hey, what's going on? There's like nothing there. But the truth of the matter is it is truly magic. So it's like a clear powder. We take the sponge, dab it, and I take it. So now I'm showing you now here how it goes. So look at that. Is that cool? Or is that cool? And you can get it at Ulta. Hooray! So that's the Mally Beauty Face Defender. And lucky for me, they had it. Nails and skin. Nails and skin. That's what we've got. Okay, I'm obsessed with sparkly nail polish. I love glitter. I love glitter all year long, not just at holiday. To me, every day is a holiday. So these are from Essie, and these are the Luxe Effects. Summit of Style is this bronzy, and the Set in Stones is the silver. I have mixed these, so I have them both on. I have a gel nail system that I love that is Mally Beauty, and I wear 99.9% of the time. And I actually usually will do a gel nail, and then I'll put this on top. So the rest is for skin, and some of it is a little bit pricey. This is the Bliss Treat Your Pores Steep Clean 15-minute Facial. Deep pore cleansing, exfoliates, smooths, and brightens, prevents clogged, prominent pores, which, yes, I would love that. So then you take it and you go like this. See, now, the only problem is I can't do both my fingers at the same time. It's going to get, oh, okay. I got to do the other one. Here they go. Mix them in the palm of your hand, then blend the blue and yellow until it turns green. Oh, so it's an art lesson too. Yay! And then massage mask over your face, neck, paying particular attention. Okay. Smells amazing. Smells amazing. And then you put it on for 15 minutes, then gently wipe off with a washcloth. So I love it. I think it smells incredible. I love anything that's going to really cleanse and clean up the skin. So it smells incredible. Okay, this is expensive. And I'll be honest with you, I busted into this already because I wanted to try it. This is the Dr. Perricone Cold Plasma Cream. I've heard amazing things about it from everybody. So I had to give it a try, and I wanted to see what it was all about. It feels really light, which I love. And I know Dr. Perricone, and he is incredible. I have not tried it, and I've never really used too much of his products. I've tried them, but I've never used them over time. So I'm really curious to see how this goes. So I took out, here's the thing that came with it. So it's, it says, please read before using product. Restore natural, rested, radiant appearance for healthy, youthful skin, suitable for all ages, which is good because I am only 23. Just kidding. I'm 43. But anyways, applying liberally AM and PM on cleansed skin. Follow with any Perricone treatment and or moisturizer. Oh, so this isn't a moisturizer. I thought it was a moisturizer, but it's not. It's a treatment. Oh, well, that's even better. So then I can get more stuff on my face. Yay! That's great, actually. So, okay. So we'll try it and we'll see. But I'm going to close this up, honey, because she's pricey and I do not want to drop her on the ground. Okay. Okay, here's the last thing. So here is the Mario Badescu Skincare Whitening Mask. This is a whitening mask. It is for all skin types. Mario Badescu is tried and true, amazing line that is, I think, from New York City. And it's a great brightening mask. I've heard that this is really great. I have a lot of like scars and discoloration to my skin, some from acne and some from just like broken things, you know, and, you know, my skin. And so I love a brightening, whitening mask. I think that they're great. This feels, oh, it smells good. So, again, smells amazing. Oh, that smells. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So, yeah, that was my Ulta haul. And again, everything that you absolutely need for your hair, for your body, for your skin, for everything. And obviously, you know, I could tell you that I hooked myself up with some Mally Beauty, but you know, I got that already. But very honored and blessed to be at Ulta, the Mally Beauty line. And thank you so much for always being the best Melanistas on the planet. And I love you. God bless you. Remember, what makes you different makes you beautiful. Stay courtois. Love you. Bye-bye.